Here we come to the elevator at Dillard's at Memorial City Mall in Houston, Texas. I'm sure you remember this elevator and how bad that motor sounded. Let's see how this thing sounds this time. Well, the chime's off. Downworks, it still haven't fixed it. The motor, I'll show listen to that one more time. The motor is still hasn't been changed. Do you hear how sickening that motor sounds? I mean, listen to this. That motor sounds horrifying, my gosh. All right, we're gonna go back down one end there. Wow. I can't even believe they still haven't changed out the motor system. My gosh, that motor that's something. I don't even know what to say, but that motor seriously needs to be replaced. Seriously need to replace that motor. All right, there it goes, and that's it.